Now that we have all of our components extruded, let's convert them to family items instead of modeled in place elements. So I'm going to go ahead and select the first element and group it. Well, first I'll do, first I'll do an edit in place, then I'll group it. And now I'm going to save it as a library group, which will allow it to be named a family. And we'll go out to the desktop and save it to the rain screen, and that's the channel. So I'm going to call that track channel. And save that. And we'll grab the other channel and we'll edit in place. We'll go ahead and group that. We'll do a save as again. Save as a library group. Once again, we have the family type Revit file, and we'll save it to that same location, and we'll go half track channel. We have our stud, our steel stud. So we'll do edit in place, select it, group it, do a save as, library group to our folder. Oops. We'll call that stud. And we have our Z-girt. Go ahead and group that. And we're going to save that as a group. Oops, I think let's back out of that. Let's see what we have here. We have a generic model. We're going to go ahead and edit in place. Go ahead and group that. I'm not sure why that's not working, so I'm going to cancel out of that. It's not called a group. I'll group it here and save it as. A little confused at what happened that time. Maybe somebody caught what I was doing wrong. But we're able to do, I'm able to recover that enough to my mistake. So we'll save that into the file again. And this is the Z-girt. And we have one other element. The clip. We'll group that. This is exactly the same thing I did the last time. Let me cancel out of that. And from this mode, I'm going to go to, I don't know how I moved into the extra depth. And now we'll do a save as. Sorry about the dogs barking. I'm going to save that as a group. All right, so now we have all of our components that we'll need for creating an assembly, and in the next clip we'll move on to the next steps of building elements.